Hello to everyone. I'm John Ireland, the lead faculty for Chem 131 and your instructor for this term. This is a short video to discuss the materials needed for Chem 131 and how the class is organized on JetNet. First, we'll discuss the supplies needed to succeed in the course. This course uses an open educational resource that is freely available online, so there is no offline text. Our book is the OpenStax title, Chemistry, Atoms First, 2nd edition. This is the same text that JC uses in the STEM sequence Chem 141, 142. We will just be going less in depth and omitting some chapters and sections. The link to the text can be found in the syllabus and on JetNet. Other than the text, there are 4 tools needed. First, you need a scientific calculator that can do exponents, scientific notation, and logarithms. You can use the scientific calculator app on your smartphone if you wish. Second, you'll need either a few pieces of graph paper or the ability to print the graph paper template I've posted. Third, you will need the ability to scan handwritten work into PDF files. This can be done through either a flatbed scanner or an app on your smartphone. I have included some tutorials on PDF scanning at the bottom of the JetNet page. Finally, you'll need a straight edge or ruler because I will be asking you to draw straight lines on graphs, and it upsets me when students are too lazy to actually draw a straight line. Next, we'll discuss the layout of the course on JetNet. This is the layout of the typical section for the course in JetNet. You can see the course identification at the top, illustrated here by the Chem 131.i3.fl2021 moniker. You can also see the upcoming events widget on the right side of the screen. I would caution the widget isn't perfect, so don't rely on it solely for upcoming assignments. The upper right corner of the JetNet page, you have the traditional hamburger menu. When you click on this, it expands into a convenient jump list for the course, allowing rapid navigation of the site. Clicking on the menu again will collapse it. The first section of the JetNet page is full of links to various resources for the course. 2 that I want to point out are the course competencies and the pace chart. The course competencies is a spreadsheet that breaks down the course by text, chapter, and section into the student shall be able to statements. This is pretty much a study guide and should be used to judge your understanding. The pace chart requires a little more explanation. When you open the pace chart, you will see a day-by-day breakdown of course deadlines for the various assessments the course requires. Each category is a separate column and each assignment is noted. You can also see the individual holidays or breaks are also noted in the schedule. This is a live document and the schedule of record for all assignments, so you are obligated to consult it on a regular basis. Under the course references is the course preparation section. This includes several week 1 assignments that allow you to determine if you can use JetNet and if you're actively participating in the course during the first week. I am required to report to federal agencies if a student fails to participate in course. Obviously, this makes the first week assignments important. Next is a section devoted to the live sessions for the course. Each section has a schedule of live sessions. The live sessions will ideally be flipped environments where we can discuss and work with concepts you've read about and watched topic videos on. The live sessions are not required to be attended in real time and are recorded for later watching, but I caution that ignoring the live sessions entirely would be like tying one arm behind your back during a fist fight. Workable for some, but not ideal for most. The first regular assessment section follows the live session section. These are the PACE assessments. These are weekly, short quizzes that are used for content retention and assessment of participation. Note, all assessments have their deadlines listed in the title. While almost all assessments can be started right now, they do close on their deadlines. The content units share the same architecture. There is a short introduction to the unit's idea, followed by concept videos for the unit. These are videos that I will expect you to watch prior to the live sessions. The videos are designed to be short and focused. After the topic videos, you'll find the practice materials for the unit. These are to help you practice the problem types for the unit. You're not required to submit any of these, but ignoring them would be a worse choice than ignoring the live sessions in my opinion. The last part of the unit is dedicated to the assessments, which we will go over in more detail in the assessment and grading video. After the unit sections, you'll find the final exam. The final exam is required, comprehensive, and only available on a given specific day each term. While this sounds intimidating, don't be too concerned yet. Again, we're going to discuss this more in the assessments and grading video. The course also has 6 lab projects, which are composed of a formative lab exercise, where you are more guided into learning a concept, and a lab report. Each type of lab exercise is listed in their own section and are completely virtualized, meaning you do not need to have any equipment on hand. The lab reports are designed to be more independent applications of the core lab concepts you learned in the formative lab exercises. As I mentioned earlier, at the bottom of the site is a list of videos that goes into apps you can use on your smartphone to produce PDF files. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in class.